How to request money on PayPal Mobile. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. What you want to do is after you open up the PayPal app, you see this menu at the bottom. Just click on the payments at the bottom middle, and you have some tabs right here. Just click on request among these three. And once you're here, you can immediately request from someone new by asking for their name, username, or PayPal email so that you can send a request to them and request money from them. More ways would be scroll down a bit from this page and you will see more ways to request money on PayPal Mobile. First, you can share your link. Just click on that and immediately you can copy it right here. You can easily send that link to the person that you want to request money from, and this is what the link will look like. They can just easily click on send right here and send money to you directly on PayPal so that it is easier for them. And you can also send an invoice right here. You can also send an invoice if it is more of a formal setting. You can click on bill to right here and enter their PayPal email address, add an item or service, note the customer and the total amount of money that you are asking for them, and just click on send and notify that PayPal friend that you have sent an invoice to them through PayPal. And that is how you can basically request money on PayPal Mobile.